everybody, this is Mr. Conductor from Shining Time Station, and right now tonight it was getting even windier than I expected. I don't know, like the wind is gonna blow me off. Look, wow, look at these winds. Look how far, look, I don't know like how many miles per hour that this wind has. Wow, look at all these leaves. The weather is getting even rougher and rougher and rougher. Here comes the next train. The New Jersey Transit 2121 to Spring Valley. There's the PL42AC. Woo! Whoa! There's the PL42AC! 4001! The wind is getting even rougher. I don't know like how many miles per hour that the wind might have, and I don't know, there will be thunderstorm this autumn, like about this month. I can't tell about this weather reports, so wow, the weather is getting even rougher. You guys are ready for the air hornet during this windy night. Woo! I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you again for watching.